Hi everyone, did you know without hacking or having any coding knowledge, free valuable business information you can extract in Excel, golden information you can have into Excel cell right now. Most importantly, you can have valuable and interesting information for your purpose. You can create your own stock market portfolio. What else do you need? Let us get into it. Example 1. This is about stocks data. Make sure your computer is connected to internet. Otherwise, Excel will be shy. It is not necessary, but I recommend you create an Excel table. Later, this will make extracting online information easier. To create a table, go to Insert, then Table. With the cell still selected, go to Data tab, then click Stocks. I hope you are seeing the icon. Excel will find a match between the text in the cells and online source. It will convert your text to stocks data type. You will know they converted the data. If you see this icon for stocks, select cell with the data type and the insert data button will appear. Click that button and then click a field name to extract more information. For example, in the C column, company names with stocks data. In the bracket, you can see the ticker symbol. Stocks data connected to an online source that has more information. Column D, E, F, G, H, I, and J are extracting that information of price, open, high, low, close, 52-week high and 52-week low rates. The values are extracted from the stocks data type in C column. For traders, this information is valuable as gold because if you see the 52-week high and 52-week low column, many investors use this information as predictor of future price movements. Now, you can also add section for your purchase price, also add another column for profit and loss. Simply subtracting the purchase price from current price, here is your profit and loss section. Also, sum the profit and loss to see the total you are having. So, this way you can also create a portfolio for your stock. There are more information. Click this icon. You will find more valuable information. Example 2. This is about geography. In this example, column C has the geography data type. The icon is this. These data type link to an online source as well that has more information. Column D, E, F, and G are extracting that information. Values for electric power consumption, gasoline price, GDP, and population are extracted from the geography data type column C. Just like previously, go to Insert, then Table. With the cells still selected, go to Data tab and then click Geography. If Excel finds a match, this geography icon will show. Select cells with the data type. The Insert Data button will appear. Click that button and then click a field name to extract more information. For example, column C, geography data, you might pick electric power consumption, gasoline price, GDP, and population data type. Lot of useful information. Whenever you want get current data, just right click a cell with the linked data type and select data type, then refresh. That will refresh the cell you select. Also, any other cells that have the same data type. Few important tips. If Excel recognizes your stocks data or geographical data, it offers to set the linked data type for you. If you see this instead of stocks or geographical data icon, it means Excel is having difficulties matching your text with data in online sources. Correct any spelling mistakes when you press enter. Excel will do its best to find matching information, or click this icon and selector pane will appear. Search for data using keywords. Choose the data you want and then click select. This is it for today. I hope this was helpful. I'll be seeing you soon. Take care.